Hi smart investor, welcome to Deluxe by Luke channel. How are you doing today? I hope that we desire to learn something new. First of all, I want to thank you for support this beautiful community which is about to create and getting bigger every single day, and watch this video till the very end for very important news and to know more about the purpose of this channel. I created because I saw the need to share with you the best buys opportunities on the market of any kind: stocks, commodities, blockchain, crypto, real estate, online or physical business, etc. You get informed and I get support from you by sharing and help me to make more quality content. I'm open to hear from you some interesting ideas, suggestions, recommendations for this channel, and who knows, maybe the day of tomorrow we can see each other to share more information directly face to face. Now let's see in which stage we are. It's September 2022 at the moment of creating this video, and many smart investors are thinking that it's already a bit late to cash out money from real estate. If we look a bit, everywhere in the world is at the all-time highs, and from here we can only go down a bit. Depends on which area are you located. Some places will gonna drop more, but a certainty is that is a bubble formed, ready to explode. It started in China and soon in the rest of the world. I will not debate too much this subject, but it's gonna come. The inflation started with the pandemic. Recession came this year all over the world, and inflation is about to knock on the door, probably by beginning of 2023. With that, more people will gonna have trouble with buying properties, and many, in order to sell, they're gonna need to put down the price. My advice is that if you are still owner of a property and want to have a good return, most probably you should sell it before the end of this year. I will say that now is the right time to invest in yourself and in your knowledge. And if you still have some money and don't know what to do with them, you can support this channel with a donation, or just give me a message and I will contact you to share some hidden gem thoughts. I mentioned that I'm not financial advisor and this video is pure informative. Do your own research always and then share it with me. It's all about timing. You have to see where is blood on the streets, and there can be the perfect place to invest. No offense. I open a platform in which smart investors are contributing with money and digital crypto assets to reach a capital to invest in Ukraine. Once the war it will end, hope soon, the country will need help to rebuild and make new houses for the people who already lost almost all they had. That's why I believe this is something which you should think about it, and I'm ready to hear some thoughts from you. Down below, you have the platform to access and sustain it. Another place where you can check and put your money is the blockchain technology. Will be more and more people, developers and smart investors who's gonna go in this direction. In this moment, we are in a point that if you have some money and you don't need them for the next 2-3 years, I will not think twice. Down below, with some bonuses, if you register with my codes, I let you few of the very best platform where you can safely invest your money without having doubts that the day after will gonna disappear. Obviously, if you don't know that much about blockchain, send me a message and you can have a private meeting in which I'm gonna explain to you step by step all you need to know and choose the right project. Now that things get serious, you wanna get rich for sure or multiply by 5 or 10 your saving finance? If you let me guide you, the return can be fabulous. Realistic, we can talk about 10x easily if you are smart and patient. Means that if you invest 1,000, you can get probably by the end of 2025 or even before that 10,000. All you need to do is to watch this video until the very end and you're gonna get pumped enough to do the same like me. Let's suppose that now you have 100 or 1,000 euro dollars, which this month you don't need them. Put them to work. How? Simple. Invest them in blockchain technology. The good thing is that you can stake them and receive interest from 1 to 20% per year or even more, depending on which type of asset you choose. I will always go for the top 10 or 20 in this industry. Being in this moment in the bear market, only this project will gonna be safe 100%. Even if some of them will gonna fail in the long run, this doesn't mean you're gonna lose money. But instead of multiplying your income by 10 times, maybe you will do only 5 times, which is good anyway. But instead of 10 times, maybe they're gonna do 20 times the money you put on it. So if you make the media, it's worth it. Now tell me which kind of investment asset in 3 years or so can give you that much. If you know something new, share it and I'll go myself deep into. First analyze and then get to the action. Almost everybody knows or heard about Bitcoin. It's the safest blockchain in which you can invest because its scarcity in worth will not be more than 21 million. If every one of us want one full Bitcoin, is not going to be enough. That's why with the time, more and more people will want a piece of that cake, and obviously the price will gonna increase. We don't enter too deep in explain what and how is that. We're gonna have more bull runs in the Bitcoin price for sure, no doubts about that. Realistic price prediction for one Bitcoin is that it can reach $100,000 until the end of 2025. Now it's around $20,000. I assume that if you invest at this price and want to sell at 100k, you're gonna multiply by 5 for sure your money. In the meanwhile, you can also get extra by staking the amount invested, so at the end you can even make more, just not selling before reaching the target. If you start now and have the patience to reach that level, you're gonna get richer for sure than you are in this moment. Think about it, that simple it is. Now we just got in the second but not less important Ethereum blockchain, the merge from proof of work to proof of stake, which means that the process of mining using electricity to create Ethereum token, it's going to be less effective than staking and receiving interests in the same one. In this process, the existing Ethereum on the market will be burned in small portion during the transactions, which each of us we are doing in this network, and this results that again we talk about less and less Ethereum on the market, and obviously that with the time that price will go higher and higher. This merge is considering a bigger step than the halving in Bitcoin blockchain, in which every 4 years the miners are receiving by half the payment for completing a block in the network, and we expect the price in the next period of 1 to 3 years to increase pretty more than Bitcoin. If now we can pay a bit more than $1,000 per Ethereum token, we expect before the end of 2025 to increase minimum 10 times more than it's valued in this moment. Here you have it. With 100k invest in Ethereum, you can become millionaire. Of course, we have also a few more other good projects in which the returns are much higher, depend on your risk level. Down below, I'll leave you the platform in which you can register with my referral codes and have a bonus for free. Be smart and take it. Don't leave for tomorrow what you can do today. If you need more info, just let me know and I will be happy to help you in private meeting. So, are you going to get richer or no? I want to know your thoughts. Now also on Discord, the Deluxe by Luke community, and let's share this video to reach more people to make happy choices for their bright future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate if you subscribe and let a comment down below to know how I can improve this channel to make you part of this successful family. Choose wise and see you in the next video.